Isomorphic Labs, Google's AI drug business, raises money from Thrive. That's the headline from the New York Times, reported by Michael J. de la Merced from London. Over the last 12 months, Google's efforts to use artificial intelligence to accelerate drug design have achieved breakthroughs in mimicking human biology and won its top scientists the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Now Isomorphic Labs, the division within the software giant spun out of the DeepMind lab to focus on drug discovery, is taking another big step, raising $600 million from an outside investor. The round was led by Thrive Capital, the venture capital firm that has bet big on AI companies including OpenAI. GD, Google's venture capital arm, and Alphabet, Google's parent company, also invested. The announcement underscores Google's ambitions for Isomorphic, which is built on software that DeepMind, a central intelligence lab in London, has developed. That includes AlphaFold, which can predict the structure of millions of proteins and, in its third iteration, the complex behavior of DNA and RNA. AlphaFold has promised to slash the development time of new drugs, and such is its promise that DeepMind co-founder Demis Hassabis and researcher John M. Majumper shared half of the Nobel in Chemistry last year. The goal, according to Mr. Hassabis, is to eventually conduct most of the drug discovery process via computers rather than traditional labs that require biological materials, strict safety requirements, and lots of time. He called this the #1 most beneficial application of AI out there and said the mission, one day, is to solve all disease with AI. Isomorphic is researching potential treatments, including those focused on cancer and immune disorders. Last year it signed research partnerships with two major drug makers, Eli Lilly and Novartis, that could yield billions in payouts via promising drug breakthroughs. But as with many things related to AI, the work and the hiring of top research talent is expensive. Mr. Hassabis said Isomorphic didn't need capital. Its parent company reported more than $100 billion in profit last year, but that it made sense to bring in an outside partner. By his thinking, doing so had long been a possibility, but he wanted a backer fixed on the long term that was also deeply focused on life sciences. The additional money will help Isomorphic expand its stable of research models like AlphaFold, as well as recruit top talent across scientific disciplines, as the ambition of the company is to be a full-stack life science company. The New York Times reports that this fundraising round highlights the growing confidence in AI's ability to transform pharmaceutical research. The article points out that Isomorphic's partnership with Eli Lilly and Novartis could yield billions in payouts if promising drug breakthroughs materialize. Hassabis emphasized that while Alphabet's deep pockets could fund the venture alone, an external investor like Thrive brings a long-term perspective and deep expertise in life sciences, which aligns with Isomorphic's goal of becoming a full-stack life science company. The new capital will also support the expansion of Isomorphic's research models beyond AlphaFold, enabling the team to tackle increasingly complex biological challenges. This development marks a significant milestone in the convergence of artificial intelligence and drug discovery. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.